Welcome to my first video. Actually, today we're breaking in my new combo, my new bait casting combo, which is a wiper favorite rod with the Shimano Caius bait casting reel. And let's see how we do. It's a heavy rod. I'm pretty sure it's 7.6. I don't see it because I have the sock on it, but let's break it in. We're here at the pond. I'm about to do my first cast out there. Let's see how my new reel casts. That's beautiful. What's expected? Our new braid. Oh, dude, this is nice. First bird's nest. Alright, so let's see what's the problem here. Alright, you are my problem. And I didn't fix it. I'll be back when I don't have a bird's nest anymore. My first successful cast out there. There's something heavy in my rod. That's a fish. That's a fish. First cast, first fish. Dude, it wasn't even planned. Let's go. That's one way to break in a rod. Let's go, dude. Let's go. First cast, first fish. That's one way to break in a rod. So look, it's actually a pretty decent fish. Let's go, dude. That's one nice fish. That's actually a really nice fish. Alright, gonna get a smooth release in this guy. There he goes. Back in the water. Dude, that was so sick, dude. That was so sick. Alright. I'm too excited. Alright. Where'd my bait go? He took my bait. God damn fish. This one I'm trying to away. I think this is watermelon red. No, green pumpkin. They look similar. Alright, next fish. Oh my god, this is so exciting because the reason why I bought such a heavy rod is because I usually fish here. So I kind of got the fish figured out. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of weeds right there. So what I need to get out there. And those fish are just sitting out there. Decent fish too. I'm shaking, dude. First cast, dude. That was first cast. That was so good. Alright, let's get out there again. I need to fix my drag, dude. That fish pulled drag like crazy. There you go. So smooth. That's so smooth. Alright, let it sink for a little bit. Feels like my line feels heavy. Those are your first cast, dude. So sick. Okay. I'm too excited. I'm getting too excited here. Too excited. Are you doing alright? Okay. What is this thing? Get off my line. Alright. Let's go. Next fish. Where's the next pass? Let that sink for a little bit. Oh, dude, that's sick. I'm still like, wow. That's sick, dude. There's nothing there. Just got a little bit out there. It's like brand new line too. It's a new reel, so I gotta put new line on it. 30-pound test braid. Let it sink for a little bit more. Dude, I gotta put my phone in my book bag. It's about to fall in the water. saw like a fish down here. Let's see. Still gonna bite. I lost my good sunglasses somewhere. I don't know where I left them. So I had to take a spare pair I had. It's not that good. They're not that good. You can see the wub. It does up a little bit. See I saw the flash. It's right there. It's right there. Oh my god. Dude, what is this? Dude, come on, dude. My man. Oh. There's nothing there. See another cast out there. Oh, dude. I feel like I'm gonna be saying dude for the rest of the video. I'm sorry. I fucked up my bait. Be right back and get the new spot. The area was right over there, in that corner over there. Now I'm here. So let me fix my video real quick and let's cast it out there and see if we can catch anything. Last time I was here, I think I caught like 2 little fish, not too big. So let's get the bait out there. Let it sink for a little while. Dude, the sun is so hot right now. Like literally, like I'm sweating right now. I mean, I do have a sweater on, but like, oh my god, it's incredible. Is there nothing else to do for real? Nothing. Nothing wants to eat this thing. Alright, not too shabby. I just need to like get the line all wet, then I'll fix it sometime. It takes time to fix it. Fish! Oh, that's a big. We got a fish, boys. Second fish of the day. Second fish of the day. Oh, he's barely hooked. Please don't come off. Get up here. Let's go, dude. Listen, that's not a bad fish. The good fish are out there. Holy crap. Dude. That's a really nice fish. Wow, that's a nice fish. This might be the second biggest fish I've caught in here. Oh, he's got some teeth. Oh, dude, you got some teeth. Dude, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Hold on, let me get a picture real quick. Dude, you're beautiful. I just want you to know, you're beautiful. Go make some babies. There he goes. Beautiful fish. Oh my god, dude, Dude, I love this setup, dude. Oh my god. I think I threw my boot back on top of it. Things they keep stealing my goddamn bait, dude. Dude, this is awesome, dude. I'm having an awesome day of fishing right now. I don't know if I probably fucked it up because I was walking back and forth. I was so excited. Alright. Let's get up there. Just got some more big ones. That was a solid couple pounds. So far I didn't weight it now. I just remembered I have a weight inside my book bag. Kick this thing. I'll probably throw the picture right here. So that's a fish. On the picture it doesn't look that big, but trust me. That thing was nice, dude. That was like a solid 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. That was a nice fish. and those fish are eating this size bait. So like I'm not throwing like a giant bait for giant fish. Thank you. Let's let it sink for a little bit. I might as well just go all around this lake. Just catching monsters, dude. I saw a picture of some guy caught a like giant fish right over there. I was like, that was a decent fish he caught. It was much bigger than what I just caught. Was I even recording? Okay, I think I was. That's good. You guys don't know how many like big fish I've missed to get on camera just because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Dude, the white bird, so nice, dude. Fucking love this rod. Yeah, there's nothing here. Cast this out there. Maybe after this cast, move a little bit to the right. On this channel, you guys are gonna see a shit ton, a lot of fan hopping, because I don't have a boat. This is the closest spawn I have to my house, so maybe you see a couple videos here. Maybe some challenge videos with my friend. He lives here, so be expecting some challenge videos soon. I'll definitely be crushing him if I'm doing as good as I'm doing today. I got here maybe 20-30 minutes ago. I've already got 2 fishes, so yeah, that's nice. Feels good. Loving the reel though, so smooth. And the casting too. So nice, dude. What I'm not liking much is all the backlashes. I mean that kind of comes with a new reel, because like it's a brand new line. So I mean it's expected, but come on. By the way, I love the gold accents on the reel. Makes it look so much nicer. It's black and white. Oh my god. Right, let me let that sink for a little while, a little bit. Alright, let's retrieve it. Grass. Ain't nothing biting, mate. Little fish. Alright, let's move. Saw some fish here. I don't know if it was a big one or not, because the gliz's not letting me see. But I saw a fish. I saw like the belly. It flashed me. Come on. See a bunch of little largemouth. I need the big mama. Where's the big mama? It's a lot of little largemouth right here. Alright, I ain't catching none of this. Wait. Yep. Back. I'm totally super exhausted because I just walked from here all the way over there, and then I just fished all the way there, and then I came back from over there all the way to here. No fish. So I'm back at where I caught the biggest fish of the day. So see, just any more of them out there. Come on. Please some decent fish. I just want to catch another fish and go home. So I'm really exhausted. I haven't eaten anything also, so that's probably why too. As soon as I get home, I need to eat something. Oh wow, I'm tired. I'm hungry. So no bites that way, so this way. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So ran out of space in my SD card, so you guys might not be seeing this. Overall, pretty good rod. I love it. Pretty good, awesome rod. I love it. Definitely recommend it. I'll leave a link to the rod and to the fishing reel on Amazon, so you guys can go get it yourself. And I didn't catch any more fish after that one you saw, so I'll see you guys in the next one.